Mounting a TV on the wall comes down to 4 decisions: the right mount type, a stud-backed install, the right height, and a clean cable path. Get those right, and a 55-inch screen hangs flat as a picture frame. Get one wrong, and a $1,200 TV ends up on the floor. Start with the mount type. A fixed or flush mount is the cheapest. It holds the TV about an inch off the wall. Good when you always watch from straight ahead. A tilt mount angles the screen down 5 to 15 degrees, which helps when the TV sits high, like over a fireplace. And a full-motion mount swings out on an arm to tilt and swivel, best for open-plan rooms where you watch from the kitchen and the couch. Before you buy, match 2 numbers. VESA is the rectangle of 4 threaded holes on the back of your TV, measured in millimeters. A 55-inch set is commonly 300 by 300 or 400 by 400, and the bracket's weight rating must equal or beat your TV's weight without the stand. A universal mount covering 200 up to 600 by 400 fits most 32 to 75-inch TVs. Here's the part people get wrong. Half-inch drywall has almost no holding strength on its own. The studs, the vertical lumber inside the wall are the only thing that holds a TV reliably. Run a stud finder horizontally at mount height. Studs usually sit at 16-inch centers. If neither bolt lands on a stud, use rated toggle bolts, which can hold over 100 pounds each. For height, the rule is simple. Center the screen at seated eye, level, which is about 42 inches from the floor, for a standard sofa. Taller seating, like dining chairs, moves that up to 45 or 48 inches. Above, a fireplace runs higher, 50 to 60 inches, so pair it with a tilt mount angled down, or you'll be craning your neck all night. When it's time to hang it, make it a 2-person job. One person holds the bracket and a bubble level, while the other drills that keeps it straight and safe. Never trust drywall alone under the load, and pick a mount rated above your TV's actual weight, so you've got headroom. For the full step-by-step and our mount picks, visit smarttvs.org.